The entire forest was alive with sound. At last, Jaja opened his eyes and looked at me. This was my chance. Jaja, my birthday is coming up. Are we going to invite a lot of people? No. But Jaja, are we going to roast a pig? No. But Jaja, what about my Batman suit? I really want a Batman suit. I'm not going to get a Batman suit. No. Those are all material things to be left behind. They're meaningless. They're things you need to avoid. I was disappointed. But I learned that material things were meaningless. I learned to pay attention to things that were more beautiful, like the sounds of the forest, the colors of the birds. Every moment in this forest, we'd hear music, sounds of birds, sounds of monkeys, the sounds of other animals. I remember a big bird called the crested crane. It landed in the opening behind our house. And my brother and I would get very excited and would sing him a song. Ngari saba saliza, ngari saba saliza wana mwiyogere. Ngari saba saliza, ngari saba saliza wana mwiyogere. It spread his wings really wide and give us a dance. Ngari saba saliza, ngari saba saliza wana mwiyogere. Ngari saba saliza. Ngari sawa saliza bana mweyogerere. Ngari sawa saliza. Ngari sawa saliza. That's what we thought. Until we saw a female crested crane land right there. Then we knew his dance wasn't for us. In the evenings, we'd hear drums and music coming in from the hills around us. Life was perfect. Until the dictator named Idi Amin Dada came to power. And the music stopped. Idi Amin and his henchmen became paranoid that some people were plotting to overthrow their government. They started kidnapping people and torturing them for information. People started to die. In the beginning, we thought the kidnappings happened to other families. But soon, that senseless killing touched all of us. In my own family, my big brother Richard Murondo was kidnapped, tortured, and killed. My stepdad, Dr. Paul Wamala, was kidnapped, tortured, and killed. Death became the new normal. A friend of mine, Hope, and I got together. We wanted to change the way people felt in Kampala. So we created a cover band called The Mixed Talents. Hope covered Marvin Gaye and Kenny Rogers. Our friend Stephen covered Bob Marley. And me, I covered Rod Stewart.